Here's a video on how to get started with the ACR Systems JR2000 Data Logger. Simply plug the JR2000 into an open USB port. And then double click to download software link. It will go to the ACRdatasolutions.com website onto the JR2000 products page. If you slide down the page partway to where it says software downloads, click the link and the software will begin to be downloaded. Click open. And the installer begins. Click next. You must accept the license agreement. Click next, and then click install. The Windows user account control may pop up. Just simply click yes to it if it does. And click finish. The software is now installed and is ready to work with the JR2000.